Okay, hooray, well here we are. The plastering is finished, the plastering is done, ceiling and all the walls. The video can cope with the light, I'm not sure, it doesn't do a great job in here, but there you go, completely, oh thank heaven, all that black dust and rubbish is all sealed in. That's for the toilet, and then we've got the plumbing in for the sink, and that's the light and the shaver socket above. And that's the cupboards for the where the chimney breast used to be. So where that painting is, the radiator's going in there, then that's going to be cupboards. Probably going to have glassed, sandblasted glass cupboard doors, and just a blank above there. And that's where all the pipes are, that's all boxed in now, continues the wall on. Oh, so pleased, and yeah, I've just started to paint the ceiling, and then we'll be on the walls, and I feel like we're a bit on the home straight now. All the floors done, I've just filled in a few little bits, because it's all going to be painted, so there was a couple of gaps I wasn't too happy about. I've just put a bit of wood filler in, and then that'll be painted shortly. So we're getting there, and here's the bath that weighs 4 tons, and that'll be going over into into that corner when we're ready for it. But it's got to paint the ceiling, paint the walls, and paint the floor. Then it's all tiling, a lot of tiling, but that's yet to come. Anyway, very happy that it's all plastered up and all looking like, you know, it's one room again. All those horrible bits and that have all gone. It's all nice, smooth, flat walls, all ready for painting. I think this wall's going to be a feature wallpaper wall. Skirting boards are arriving today. They'll go up. You see the plaster's still drying out a little bit here and there. It was just done a couple of days ago. Very happy. We're getting somewhere now. It's been a big long job, but we're getting somewhere.